Okay, so this week's discussion, what we're looking at is religion and reform and the reform movements. And the question asks, how were the reform movements of 1820 through 1860 in the United States related to industry and urban life? So what you have to do is you have to make a connection from what people were experiencing of the Industrial Revolution that is now coming to the United States and the effect of urban life and how reformers looked into that. So what you should be aware of is some of the utopian movements as well, such as the New Harmony and the Fourier phalanxes, which were a direct result of reformers' attempts to deal with the problems of industrialization and unequal distribution of wealth, what they saw in their eyes. The concentration of poverty and crime in towns and cities also helped to motivate such reforms as the temperance movement for drinking, because they believed, alcohol was the cause of all the problems, because how majority of immigrants were actually using their wages and then blowing it at the taverns. And this was also causing a lot of other social problems as well. Asylums, Doretha Dix, and spending money for and also helping those who were mentally disturbed or mentally ill. And public education of Horace Mann and the importance that children get an education. Improvements in communication from 1820 and 1860 also facilitated the formation of national and associations promoting humanitarian reforms. So you need to give me at least two instances in which you're linking industry and urban life to the reform movements, and the two reform movements, and who led those reform movements specifically. And as usual, you have until 4 o'clock this Thursday to send me your discussion, and I'll be more than happy to look at it and tell you how you need to make an improvement.